Hello, and today it is beautiful day in Portland, Oregon. I'm kidding. It's terrible outside. Oh!
It's dangerous. It's dangerous.
This is Avis. Oh, what? You don't want me to pay? What? Alrighty, hello everyone. My name is Ethan Adams. This is the Rotary Rex channel, and today we're gonna get dirty. That's right. So if I sniffle in this video at all, I'm sorry. I'll try and cut out everything in editing, but for some reason my nose is just like killing me today. It's like I have allergies, but I don't have allergies, so I don't know. Maybe I'm getting sick. I don't know. But for today, we will be going in and taking pretty much like everything out. We'll be stripping everything out of the base RX-7 that I've got, and yeah, we'll get everything ready and prepped. And hopefully, in this video, we will get the bolt off of the E-shaft from the flywheel cracked. We've tried it a couple times, but it's just proving to be a pain in the ass. And I think what we're going to do next is take a couple of really long bars of metal, cut some holes in them, take some straps, like a ratcheting strap, and like pull them really far apart and just ratchet strap it together until it breaks. Because with two full-grown men, we couldn't, with 5-foot long bars, we couldn't pry it apart. It's probably got some Loctite on it, so we'll heat it up too. But yeah, we've like thrown penetrating oil and stuff on it. We can't get that guy off. So hopefully today we can maybe crack it with a ratcheting strap or something. So yeah, it is pouring outside. It is raining. Well, it's not really bad, but it's raining pretty heavily. So hopefully the barn is nice and dry today. If not, oh well. I've got some clothes on that I don't care about. Just need to go grab a couple things. I've got some, like a light stand. I got the camera stand. I'll get the GoPro today, so we can, like, you can see what's in front of my face when I'm working, all that good stuff. So let's get going. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, oh no! Ah! Alright, hello everyone. Hopefully it's zooming in on my face. Boop. I think it is. Alright, hello everyone. Cool, so we're at the car. I've started taking apart a bunch of stuff already. I need to zoom out just a little bit. Got some extra lights in here, so you can actually see the engine bay pretty good. I've got the GoPro on, so I can take video footage of me like looking down in the engine, so you can actually see my hands and stuff instead of me like trying to scrounge around. Oh, come on, zoom, buddy, zoom. There we go. So yeah, I've got all that ready, and let's get to it.
I am no stranger to rain. I am no stranger to rain.
guys. So, alright. So, everything's been taken out of the engine, pretty much. All that's left is a little bit of the electrical harness where I have to pull it out from the dashboard, I'm guessing. We've got brake lines, master cylinder. I don't have a pan to drain those out right here and now, so I'm going to avoid taking those off right now.
3 weeks later.
Alright, hello everyone. Ethan here. Alright, so we're making progress. I'm just working on the engine and we got the nut off. Let me show you. Get all that natural light in here. Oh. Alright. So yeah, we got the nut off finally. If it'll come off. Okay, so yeah, it's okay. So yeah, now that we got the nut off, now we got to get the flywheel off, which isn't as easy as I was hoping. Apparently it's, I don't know, it's stuck to it right now. Apparently it's meant to be made that way, so it gets stuck on there really easily, and you use a hammer to pound it off, but I've been whacking at this thing for the past 10 minutes or so, and it hasn't budged, so I don't know. This thing was probably bolted down so tight the flywheel's like stuck on there further than it really should be. I'm just gonna keep banging away at this. Eventually it will pop off, one way or another. So we got the flywheel off. We used the crane to pull up on it. Pried it off. Ooh. Oh, it's off. No more flywheel. Thank goodness. We were getting kind of worried there. It's time to remove the main bolts from the engine to take it apart.
Beats.
So, moment of truth. I believe it is time to pop off the top of our engine. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it. Engine's tore down. So one of the rotor housings does have a break in the cooling wall. That's what was going on. It's possible that one of the O-rings went bad as well, but on the front rotor housing, looks like water was breaking in through the cooling lines or whatever. So I'm gonna have to go call up someone who knows these engines really well and figure out if I have to replace it or if I can fix it. Probably a replacement. If not, we'll figure that out later. So thank you so much for watching and have a good one.